In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the WooCommerce product ID in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a developer, store manager, or just getting started with WooCommerce on your WordPress site, understanding how to locate a product ID is essential. This seemingly simple number is actually a key piece of information that can aid you in managing your e-commerce site more effectively, from troubleshooting issues to implementing custom features. So let's dive into the steps to uncover this valuable piece of data. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your WordPress site's dashboard. This is the control panel for your website, where you can access all kinds of configurations and content management settings. To get there, simply type in your website's URL followed by /wp-admin. This will prompt you to log in with your username and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll be greeted by an overview of your site's activity, including posts, pages, comments, and more. Next up, you'll want to access the product section of your WordPress site. This is where all the magic happens for your WooCommerce store. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll find a sidebar menu with various options. Look for the one that says Products and give it a click. This action will take you to a page that lists all the products you have for sale. Here you can add new products, manage existing ones, and of course find product IDs. Now, for the main event, finding the product ID. Once you're on the products page, take a moment to locate the product for which you want to find the ID. You might have just a few products or possibly hundreds, so make use of the search feature if needed. Once you've found the product in question, hover your mouse over the product name. Don't click, just hover. This action is crucial because it triggers the appearance of a unique link at the bottom left of your browser. This link contains the product ID subtly embedded within it. You might wonder, why is this ID so important? Well, this tiny number packs a big punch. It uniquely identifies each product on your WooCommerce store, making it a handy reference for various tasks. For example, if you're working with shortcodes, customizing themes, or tweaking plugins, you'll often find that you need to specify a product by its ID. Furthermore, understanding how to quickly locate a product ID can save you time and frustration, especially when dealing with customer support or managing large inventories. Here's a pro tip for you. If you have a large number of products and frequently need to access product IDs, consider installing a plugin that displays IDs directly on the products page. This can streamline your workflow by making the IDs visible without requiring the hover method. However, for most users and use cases, the hover technique is perfectly efficient and doesn't necessitate any additional tools. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully found a WooCommerce product ID, navigating to the WordPress dashboard, clicking on products, and then hovering over a product name might seem like a simple set of actions, but knowing how to do this effectively can significantly enhance your ability to manage your online store. Whether you're troubleshooting, customizing your site, or simply trying to get better acquainted with WooCommerce's features, the knowledge of how to find a product ID is invaluable. Remember, every element in your WooCommerce store, no matter how small it may seem, has its purpose and significance. Understanding these elements and how to access them empowers you to manipulate and make the most out of your online store. I hope this guide has illuminated the process for you and perhaps even introduced a new skill into your WooCommerce repertoire. Keep experimenting, learning, and growing your online presence. The journey of e-commerce is filled with little discoveries like this one, each layer adding depth and efficiency to your store management skills. If you found this tutorial helpful, stay tuned for more insights and tips to streamline your WooCommerce experience. Happy selling!